Welcome to TIG King's YouTube channel. I guess people watch my videos to learn TIG welding. You may want to learn it quickly but feel struggling now. Today's episode may help you improve your skill one step higher. I've been seeing many welders coming to the shop for a weld test. Believe it or not, by looking at their weld postures, I can see who is good and who fails the test without looking at their weld. If weld posture is good and comfortable, mostly the weld is good. On the other hand, if the posture is bad, the weld is poor. Let's take a look at the next video clip and guess which weld would be better. I think everybody knows the answer. I understand most of you are interested in just welding skills. However, you have to realize your weld posture is important if you want to speed up your learning. The common TIG weld posture mistakes. Mistake 1. Spread legs too wide. You're watching my socket welding. I hold the workpiece on the bench vise and walk around to weld it. Let me spread my legs and see what's happening. I'm not sure why many beginners spread their legs, but mostly they do. I guess they spread their legs to lower eyesight to see weld closer. There are only disadvantages with spreading legs. You have to walk around to weld it. However, the wider you spread your legs, the harder you move around. It is difficult to respond to a sudden change quickly, like a tripping cable. Key point: stand with your feet shoulder width. It is easy to walk around without stopping. Mistake 2. Your arm is too high for welding. If you have to raise your arm up to a shoulder, it is hard to weld and your arm gets tired soon. If possible, locate a weld point around your waist level. You can weld it comfortably so you can make a good weld. There is no hidden secret for a good weld. Just keep up doing it and set up a workpiece for easy weld posture. Welding is not a circus. Work smart, work productive, work less tired. Mistake 3. Your head is too close to the weld. You are watching my college boy help me. He's just a beginner. I keep saying his head is too close to the weld. It is a bad weld posture most beginners have in common. Unlike you think, keeping your head away from the weld gives you a better view. Look at the video clip. When you lower your head, it is hard to walk the cup. When you keep your head away, your hand has more space, so it becomes easy to move the torch. Please take a close look one more time. Pay attention to the change of the arm with the torch. When lowering your head, your arm goes up. Hard to move your hand. When keeping a proper distance, your arm has a comfortable space, easy to move your hand. Don't get your head too close to the weld. It just burns your expensive helmet. Mistake 4. Use your wrong weld equipment. I'm using a foot pedal switch. I have to keep pressing it and drag it to move around. I have to pay attention to the foot pedal as well as the weld. It bothers me, and I can't focus on the weld. I don't want to stop in the middle of the weld, but I have to because it traps with other cables. It is time consuming. You have to keep pressing the pedal. Your leg and back may hurt. It may cause bad weld if you are not experienced. In this case, using a torch switch is way more effective. It might be another boring episode. However, I pick up every episode to give beginners real experiences. I believe this is gonna help you eventually. Please trust and follow me. I will give all the experiences and skills I have. Thanks for your patience with my weird English accent. See you next Wednesday.